Welcome back to today's session. Now, before we begin, I want to ask you something. Have you ever felt stuck? Okay? Like you were moving through life, but something's holding you back from living your fullest, your dreams for them to become reality, or maybe even allowing you to step into the person that you know that you're meant to be. We've all been there. And a big part of this is resistance. And it shows up in a lot of sneaky ways, like procrastination, fear, and self-doubt. And it really keeps us from moving forward. But the truth here is resistance, it's not the problem. It's not the enemy. I want you to think of it more as an invitation to go deeper, to connect with your truth, and to align with what really, really matters to you. So today, we're going to talk about breaking free from resistance and how to stop letting it control you and how to move back into the flow of your life's unique journey. Okay? So this is a really big topic for me. And when resistance really shows up, it can feel overwhelming. It can even feel like you're up against something bigger than yourself, like a wall or someone like invisible, like holding you back, right? But it's part of the process. Every time that you grow, every time that you stretch beyond your comfort zone, resistance is the way of the universe, God, source, your higher self telling you or asking you, are you really ready for your next level? So let's be real on something. It's not always easy to say yes to the next step. But when we don't and we stay in the same place, we settle, we are stuck in the comfort of what's familiar and disconnected from the bigger picture, the bigger life picture that we're meant to live. You are meant for more, and you know this. You're bigger than any resistance that you have to face. You have the power within you to break through it and align with the life that you have always dreamed of. But it starts with a choice and the awareness of it. Will you let the fear and doubt hold you back, or will you take the leap into the life that you're waiting for? This is just to bring a little bit of awareness to you, okay? So let's take a moment, and if you can, close your eyes if you're not driving, and ask yourself, what's the one thing I've been avoiding because of fear or doubt? Now, take a deep breath in and out. And I want you to imagine moving toward that picture, that complete picture of yourself, fully letting go of resistance and flowing freely into what you truly desire. How does it feel? You feel the shift, that freedom? This is your moment. You are capable of becoming the best version of yourself that you've always envisioned. And the best part is that you don't have to do it alone. So the right support, the right guidance, it will show up when you are ready, when you are hungry for that change. My teacher always says that when the student is ready, the teacher appears. So here's my invitation to you. If this resonates with you and you are really ready, also please share this with someone that you know that needs to hear this. And if you're ready to go deeper, reach out to me at Well Rooted Living. I'm here to support you in every step of the way that I can. You are so worthy of the life that you desire. And it's time to stop resisting and start saying yes to the incredible possibilities that are waiting for you. Thank you so much for being here. I believe in you. Now, go shine your light. I'm Carolina with Well Rooted Living. I'll catch you next time.